Hello. So one more video for today. I want to describe our last graded work for this class. It's a proof compilation that's going to be due next Thursday. So the general idea is you'll pick out 3 proofs that you've written already, and you'll rewrite it, improve it, and prove a new version of the proof. And then you just say why you want to put in your portfolio. But the way you submit this assignment is a little bit confusing. So I wanted to make a video to just kind of guide you through what exactly you're supposed to do for this assignment. Let's first look at the assignment. Okay, so this is the proof compilation assignment. You want to pick 3 proofs that you think you can improve now that you've gone through 90% of the course. Let's see. So there's a couple different rules. The 3 proofs that you choose have to come from different chapters of the book. So it has to highlight different techniques, right? So I don't want 3 induction proofs in this proof portfolio. So it has to come from different chapters, but it could be coming from different aspects of the course. So it could be exercises you've done in the lecture video that I asked you to do. It could be part of the homework set that you turned in. We've only done 1 quiz in this quarter because it just seemed like too much work. But you could use a problem from the quiz. There's proof workshops that we've done, and it could come from midterm as well. So out of those, you want to pick out 3 that comes from different chapters. I know that I'm a little bit behind in grading the homework. I'll try to catch up as much as I can, but you could, if you think you could already improve the writing and the homework that you just submitted this week, you could just go ahead and do so as well. Okay, so you pick 3 proofs. Now what do you do? So you have to submit a single PDF file that has your name and expected graduation year. So the first component you need is the original proof that you've submitted. So this could be done with screen capture, or if you still have the document, you could just copy and paste in your original proof into this portfolio assignment. Then I want you to retype the statement of the problem and better version of the proof that you think you can write now. This also has to be typed, and after you improve the proof, I want you to type in like a short paragraph on why you chose this piece as the thing that you put in your portfolio. Is it because you completely did it wrong and now you see how to do it? Is it because you feel like you're a much better writer, and even though you did it correctly, you could explain it much more clear? Or maybe you just want to include it because you're really proud of it, because you figured it out all on your own, and you just like the proof. So just type in what you think, why you chose it, and then so you need 3 old proofs, 3 improvements, and the 3 paragraphs describing each of why you included them. Okay, so you might be asking, like, how do you, this would consist of multiple PDFs. How do you combine it into a single PDF? This PDF is a little bit harder to edit. You don't have to pay for like a paid version of Adobe Acrobat. what you could do is if you have different pieces of this components of this portfolio, you could go to this website, smallpdf.com/merge-pdf, and you could just kind of drag and drop the PDFs on there. You could reorder it in the way you want, and then the website will give you a file that's combined PDF. So you can combine it this way. There are other tools out there you can Google. They're free. You shouldn't need to pay for any of this type of tools. So this is how you create your proof compilation. Okay, submission is a little bit weird as well. So let me walk you through that. So let's see. Okay. All right. So I just kind of looked up the stats for that course. About half of you have access to Math Portfolio Canvas website, and half of you don't. So if you don't know what Math Portfolio page is, and you didn't have it before, then I've already added you into this Canvas page. So what I want you to do is to go to the Canvas page that's not our course, but for Math Portfolio. So if you click on courses, okay, and now you should see Mathematics Portfolio as part of your courses, not the 300 Foundation of Mathematical Reasoning Canvas course, but the Math Portfolio page. If you click on it, you'll get to this Mathematics Portfolio page. There's inviting mathematics majors. So I know a lot of you are not math majors yet. In fact, I think I looked at the stats. It seems to be that 1/3 of you are already a math major, 1/3 of you are pre-major, and 1/3 of you is about computer science majors. And there's a couple exceptions to that, but most of you are fall into those three buckets. You don't have to be, you're not forced to be a math major. This is a graduation requirement for math major to have a mathematics portfolio. But if you don't want to be a math major, you could just ignore this after this class. You don't ever have to take another math class if your major doesn't require it. And you can just kind of hide this. But if you do decide to, you don't even have to switch a major. If you thought about like, hey, I really enjoyed that. Maybe I'd like to be double major in mathematics. Then you could, like all the files you need is already here. So I've added you. That doesn't mean you're actually a math major yet. That goes for pre-majors as well. So just because you have access to this page doesn't mean you're a declared math major. You still have to do that separately. Okay, anyways, with that said, you click on assignments and you scroll down to Math 300 proof compilation. So you click on that. And then this is the blurb that's described in the assignment PDF that we just saw. This is where you're gonna submit your proof compilation. So what I'll do is, so this is due on Thursday next week. After you submit it, I will grade it here, but put the result of the grading in our actual Canvas website. So it will appear in the grades section of your 300 class a little bit later. So that's how it's gonna go. If you have any questions, email me, Canvas message me, or hit me up on Discord. So that's all I wanted to say about this assignment. With that said, this is at the near the end of the course. If so, I think this is a class where it kind of divides people. So if you took this class and enjoyed it, if you like putting together logical pieces and making watertight arguments and discovering and exploring uh, truth about these mathematical objects, then then you might be interested in becoming a math major. If you have questions about requirements, degree requirements, or what being math major is like, or what kind of job prospects you might have, or what kind of mathematics are out there, you could email me or Canvas message me, and we can carve out a time where we could discuss that. If Zoom is intimidating, we could do it through email as well, although Zoom will definitely be more efficient. So yes, email me if you have any questions about the major, but don't you don't have to if you don't care. I think I'm gonna end the video here. All right, I'll see you next week.